Hello everyone, and welcome back to Delicious Recipes, where today we'll witness a culinary catastrophe unfolding before our very eyes. Get ready to laugh, cringe, and maybe even shed a tear as we dive into this so-called delicious Hungarian chicken recipe. Let's get started, shall we? Our dear chef begins by seasoning the chicken well with salt and pepper. While that might seem adequate, one can't help but wonder if adding a dash of something extra, like paprika or garlic powder, would have made this dish truly shine. But hey, who are we to judge? Let's move on. The chicken is drizzled with olive oil, which is quite an interesting choice for Hungarian cuisine. But it's all right, we're all about innovation here. Then, our fearless cook proceeds to sear the chicken in a pan with butter and olive oil. But why stop at 5-7 minutes? Let's just char the chicken to oblivion and call it authentic Hungarian cuisine. Now for the piece de resistance, the onions. Our dear chef stirs them with the ferocity of 1,000 Gordon Ramsays. The garlic is added, and the kitchen starts to smell like a vampire's worst nightmare. But fear not, for we're just getting started. Our chef then removes the pan from the heat and tosses in the sweet Hungarian paprika, flour, and tomatoes. It's a bold move, one that could either result in a heavenly sauce or a lumpy, inedible disaster. With the sauce prepared, our overly optimistic cook places the chicken back into the pan and shoves it into the oven to cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, they boil some pasta. Because why stop at just ruining one dish when you can sabotage two? The pasta is cooked until it's almost completely soft, which really should be a crime against humanity. But our brave chef forges ahead, mixing the noodles with butter and praying for a miracle. Finally, the chicken is taken out of the pan and our chef adds sour cream to the sauce, giving it a peculiar texture that's both fascinating and horrifying. The result? A dish that's far from the delicious Hungarian chicken we were promised. But hey, at least we had a good laugh, right? Thanks for watching this culinary train wreck, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which recipe you'd like us to hilariously criticize next. Until next time, have a great day, and remember, it's not about how it tastes, it's about how much fun you have laughing at it. Goodbye.